How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Tamron 28 to 75 F2.8. This is for the Sony E-mount. This is the G2 second variation of this lens. Instructions, which I'm sure you don't care about, so I'll put those to the side. And we will try this on my Sony a7 IV camera. And that's how it's packaged, just like that, so nicely protected in cardboard. And we will just pull it right out just like that. That is everything else that's in the box right there. So it's mainly just the lens itself with the instructions. We'll pull it right apart right here. And then we can see the lens itself. Good quality feel to it. So it does have the lens hood, which is nice. There is your lens hood. And then we do have the top cover right there. We'll take that off and you can see the nice, beautiful lens right there. And then on the back right here, there's your Tamron lens or your cover for the back. And then we do have from the back right here, very nicely done. I believe this is weather sealed as well, which is good. Nice metal, feels like really nice quality. We do have the USB-C input right here so we can update it. We do have the custom button right there as well. And then it is, you can see the zoom for it. So it zooms from the widest at 28. And then when you zoom out that way, you kind of zoom backwards, then it goes to 75 millimeters. Feels really good, feels really nice. This is my Sony a7 V. Let's go ahead and try it on the a7 V. We'll put this down there for a second, take that off, and obviously to install it, you want to align that little white piece right there with the little white right up there. You want to put it just a little bit before for it to click in. There we go, so a little bit before, and then you just turn to click, and there we go. We are good to go, and we can turn this on, and there we go. Now I can see it from here, and you know what? Let's put something here so we can zoom in. There we go. So we have the Tamron lens cover, and then we can test out the zoom right here. So we'll zoom all the way in, and there we go. Now we focused on there. So that's fully zoomed in at 75, and then we go fully out at 28. And there you go. That's your unboxing of your Tamron 28 to 75 f2.8. Very nice lens, good quality, great optics. You're going to absolutely love this.